There's a vision in your head, a destination, a place you dream of being one day. But you feel like you just don't have the roadmap on how to get there. But what if it's not the map that's missing? Maybe it's the compass, your internal compass. Robert Ricciardelli and the Converging Zone believe that the truth and all the answers are inside you. Many people are stuck in a belief system that poisons their vision. But we help expose the lies you have believed, lead you to freedom, and open your eyes, heart, and mind to discover the life you were designed for. The Converging Zone provides the training, tools, and media resources you need to effectively carry out God's purpose in your life. And our relational community of like-minded people will support and encourage you throughout your journey and give you a greater perspective. Coach Robert will open your eyes to see things you haven't seen before, help you remove the obstacles that lie between you and your dream, and motivate you to take the steps you need to take. But it all starts with awareness and redirecting your internal compass. Get started now. Contact us at convergingzone.com.